Greetings everyone! It is great to have you back for another session of the ND-BD003 Handheld Anti-Drone System video series. In today's video, we will explore some frequently asked questions about ND-BD003. Let's dive in and get started. The first question we've got is, how does the system detect drones? Well, our system has a built-in RF detector, which could detect the RF signals sent out by other drones. The built-in RF detector is omnidirectional and runs automatically. Of course, once we detect drones, the next step is figuring out how to counter them. This leads us to our second question. How does the system counter drones? Generally, the system could force the drone to fly back or land. For mainstream commercial drone, if the drone lost the communication signal, it will fly back to the takeoff point. If the GPS signal is jammed as well, the drone will land. We might need to eliminate the drone threat in various environments. Then you must be asking, could the system be operated at night? The answer is yes. The system will raise visual and audible alarms when a drone is detected. User could turn off the audible alarm to stay completely stealthy during the task. Now let's address another common question. This is an interesting one. What is the user-defined jamming frequency band for? One of the outstanding features of ND-BD003 is its user-defined frequency bands. They are reserved for SDR, software-defined radio. In different application scenarios, it could be used to counter drones using unusual bands other than GPS L1, 2.4 GHz or 5.8 GHz. Next, let's talk about the app control platform of ND-BD003. What are the main functions of the app control platform? Actually, user could set system parameters and user-defined frequency band, review map and alarm information, and check the video recording via the app control platform. Moving on to the following question. Here is another interesting one. How to enable disable detection? Detection will be enabled automatically after device self-inspection is finished. You can disable it through app control platform or through knob. Next up, can I turn off the detection or jamming buzzer? Yes, you can turn off both detection buzzer and jamming buzzer to keep completely quiet. Alright, zooming in on the drone types that our ND-BD003 can handle, you must want to know, what kind of drones can you detect and jam? By adopting the ND-BD003 Handheld Anti-Drone System, you could detect and jam almost all types of consumer drones where you can buy on the market. For example, DJI, Autel, Aurelia, Skydial, and Parrot. Actually, as long as the consumer drone is using Wi-Fi communication bands, you can detect and jam it. Please feel free to contact us to double-check if a specific drone can be the target of our system. Okay, let's move to our last question for today. What will drone do if you jam it? For mainstream consumer drones, there is a built-in mechanism that specifies what the drone should do if it loses communication signals or GPS navigation signals. Take DJI drones as an example. If the communication signal is jammed, the drone will fly back to the takeoff point. If the GPS signal is jammed as well, the drone will descend until it reaches 2 meters and then hovers at 2 meters. Today, we have went through some frequently asked questions about our ND-BD003 briefly. If you have any specific questions, please feel free to visit our website www.nqdefense.com or reach out to us via info@nqdefense.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.